The option of doing online course comes out as a very convenient option because it gives you the freedom to be in a place of your comfort and study at the pace that you want. But it also comes with a lot of sense of self-discipline. If we are not disciplined when we do online classes, it would not reap the results that we desire. We need to be prepared so that the classes are interactive, and that's the core essence of doing online classes. You need to have constant communication with the speaker at the other end, the group members who are there, and you have to make sure that it doesn't become a dull moment, because online also has a downside to it, that if you don't switch on the camera, you don't remain attentive, you don't sit properly, you don't remain attentive. So these are the challenges that you tend to realize as you progress in doing online classes. But all in all, it gives a very healthy alternative to working professionals who really want to pursue skill development, self-development, and online comes out as a blessing in disguise for them. With regards to working with peers from different business groups, I think it enhances the perspective of every subject that is being discussed, because when you have been working for a very, very long time in a certain specific industry and in a certain role, you tend to think in a certain way, and when you are in this endeavor, in this journey of self-development, you really want to expand the perspective, and having peers from different business groups, different industries, allows you to have that difference in perspective. Having constant communication with these peers increases the horizon of your thought process,